In this video, we're going to show how to factor this expression. So when we're all done, we want to end up with two terms, right? Two expressions. All right, so we'll take the b squared first. Well, I know b squared, that's just b times b, so I can use that as the first term of both expressions. B times b is b squared. Now I'm going to look at this sort of together as one piece. I'm going to look at the 20 first. I'm going to try to find what are factors of 20. Well, the factors of 20 are 1 and 20. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 won't go into 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 6, no, 7, 8 won't go into 20. 9, 10 goes into 20, but we already did that factor, so we've got all the factors. All right, so now what I need is, I need to find two of these factors that if I multiply them together, I get that number right there. I get the 20. And if I add or subtract those two numbers, I'm going to get the 9. I'm going to get that number right there. So I'm going to look through the factors, through these three guys, and try to see which one might satisfy these requirements. So the first one is 1 and 20. Well, if I multiply them, yeah, I get 20, which is what I want. But there's no way I'm going to be able to add or subtract 1 and 20 and get the 9. So those guys can't possibly be the factors that we want. 2 and 10, similar. 2 times 10 is 20, but 10 plus 2 gives me 12. 10 minus 2 gives me 8. So that's going to give me the 9 that I want. Let's try 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So far, so good. And if I add 4 and 5, I get 9, which is also what I want. So these are the factors that I want to use for this. So now if I take those and I multiply 4 and 5, right, again, that's positive 20, 4 and 5 is positive 9. These are the factors I want. So my expression is going to be b plus 4 and b plus 5. And I can check this answer, right, using what I think most people learn as the FOIL method, right? I'm going to multiply the first two. I'm going to multiply the outer two, then I'm going to multiply the inner two, and then I'm going to multiply the last two terms, right? That's the FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. So multiplying the first two, that's going to give me b squared. The outer two, the b and the 5, that's going to be 5b. The inner two, that's the 4b. And the last two, the 4 and the 5, is going to give me 20. Now I can combine some terms here, right? I can simplify this because I have the two b's here. So I'll have b squared plus 5b and 4b, that's 9b, plus the 20. Now is this what I started with? Because we're trying to check our answer. B squared plus 9b plus 20, it is, right? So that means these are my two factors, b plus 4 and b plus 5. Done.